Hey, Stinky here, go on and smash that thumbs up. I know
Yes,
you're watching the
sir.
video. You know what
Come
to
on.
do.
Too easy.
Hey, what's happening, Stinky heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, in this video, before we get the video started, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir.
So in this video, what do we got? That what? That weekly
Weekly,
heat, baby.
that weekly
That
heat.
weekly heat.
Yes, sir.
So
Weekly heat.
unfortunately, this is a slow week for Jordan Brand. Unfortunately, we don't have no Jordans coming out this week, but they are giving us a favor. Depending on some people, they are releasing these Nike Kobe 4 Protro, aka Black Mambas. So this does come out on the 27th of December. This will be probably the most likely the last shoe that Jordan Brand is releasing this year, unless they surprise us with some shock drops or something like that. But you never know what Jordan Brand may do. So this shoe features a predominantly triple black. It is a Kobe 4, so if you like the Kobe 4s, go on and try to snatch these up. As you know, Kobe shoes right now, they are retailing for a high price every shoe. So like this, like the Kobe Protro 6, these are reselling for a high value. So you know that these will probably sell out. Right now, these shoes in my size are going around $400. Again, this shoe features that predominantly all black, triple black. It does have around the toe box this Mamba snake skin, as well as the Nike swoosh around the collar. Can't say I played in Kobe's because you know I'm too old to be playing basketball anymore. But let us know in the comments, sneakerheads. Do you rock Kobe's to play basketball or not? And what I like about this shoe is it is a nice touch at the very back of the shoe, and it's like a piano black gloss at the heel. It does have facsimile of his signature, Kobe Bryant. I'm not sure if that's normally there on the other Kobe 4s, but in this case, does have Kobe Bryant's replica signature in gold. I do think that's a nice touch. So again, these shoes are coming out on the 27th of December. If you want these, wish you the best of luck, sneakerheads. Hey, are you rocking those or dropping those, sneakerheads? Let us know in the comments. How about you, my brother?
Hey, man, I was never a fan. I mean, I was a fan of Kobe himself, but never a fan of the shoe itself, right? I wasn't really big into hooping like that. And that shoe alone, I couldn't see me really putting an outfit together. And I wasn't really a fan of the Kobe's, but I mean, dropping those. I'm dropping those, my brother. But hey, drop us a comment down below if you agree with this statement here. What's up, Jordan Brand? What are you guys doing? It's the last week of the year. You mean to tell me you guys don't have no update on when you're gonna be dropping some shoes? Come on, Jordan Brand. Not on Christmas. Come on, man. Don't do it. Don't do us like that on Christmas, keeping us on pins and needles to know what's coming out. Hey, sneakerheads, drop us a comment down below if you agree with
Not no J's for Christmas.
no J's for Christmas.
Not no J's for Christmas.
Don't do us like
And
that.
did us like this on Father's Day.
Hey, exactly. But I'm gonna tell you what, I know what they gonna do. Jordan Brand is gonna have about 2 or 3 shot drops next week. At least 2 of them.
You heard it first right here, sneakerheads.
Heard it
The
first.
sneakerhead bro.
That's right. That's what they gonna do. They gonna surprise us because I know they watching the videos, right? So drop us a comment down below, right? If you agree with us or you disagree with us. But either way, drop us a comment. And if not a comment, hey, give us a thumbs up. But if you continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we say, and for your family, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.